back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I appreciate you so very much. First things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you for stopping on by. Okay, be sure to subscribe if you have not. I'm my old-time subscribers. Y'all know how I feel about y'all. Okay, not y'all, but y'all. Okay, thank y'all so much for clicking on this video as well. Okay, I posted an Instagram story because many of you guys have been asking for a makeup routine or a makeup tutorial, which I do have some on my channel. Alright, I will link them down below. Many of you guys wanted to know, how do I refresh my curls? How do I sleep at night? As you can tell, I probably answered one of your questions already. Yes, I made this entire video about how I would never pineapple my hair again and how I do the banding method. And I want to say, before anybody comes for me, I do both methods now. So, you know, girl, natural hair, when your hair gets to be a certain length, or the textures may change, or your stylist may change, your sleeping methods will definitely change over time. So during that time in my life, amen, I was doing the banding method, and that's just what really worked for me. I must say, it still works for me now. I still use it, but you know, when I'm tired and I just don't feel like doing the most at night, I go ahead and pineapple my head. Okay, so this is how I woke up, looking real David Ruffin like, you know, Jesus. Before I begin, if you have not watched my Aussie Headstrong Volume Gel, I just posted a video about it and how it's been just amazing on my hair.
Now I'm gonna tell you something, this right here is amazing grace, okay?
For all of you guys who have been asking, I try to update you guys via my Instagram stories like I said I would. Some of you guys say you don't have Instagram or what have you. So in this video, I am currently on day 4 hair. So we're gonna see how it's looking.
Are you done? Are you done?
So in the morning, this is how my hair is looking. And we're just gonna go out the door looking like this, amen.
And what beauty God has made, won't He do?
Amen.
So I don't touch it, I just shake. So this is one of the reasons why I started to band my hair, because when you band your hair, you're not gonna have all of this extra that you have to pretty much manipulate. So then I began to use my hands and I just fluff it out. Again, this is day 4 hair using the Aussie gel, which was my first time using it, and I'm very pleased. I'm gonna see if I can get some today. And this is how my hair is looking. So now I could just go like this. It's not Rayna Happycurlhappygirl approved yet. My hair is still really dry underneath. So all I do is just get this out of the way, okay? So for those of you guys who are like me, just using straight water and going just doesn't really work in my favor. It just depends on what styler, what day. It's a lot to it for me, okay? But if I don't want to mess up my curl pattern, I try to stick to misting my hair. This is why I highly suggest getting one of these spray bottles. I'll try to find a link for you guys, but I've heard that you can find them on Amazon. I've actually seen them on Amazon. Also, Sally's is what I've heard. It'll change your life if you have not ever used one before. It's a mist. Oh. That was smart, okay? It's fan blowing, whatever. A mist is just going to give your hair hydration, where I don't even get my hair that damp. I just want to give it a little bit of love. So next up, I like to take my Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. I love this for refreshing my hair. I'm almost out of this Uncle Funky's Daughter. So I just take a little bit, literally just one pump, and I just apply the product. I'm not raking and smoothing. I'm just applying it like you're seeing in this motion. So I guess this is closest to smoothing. I don't rake because I don't want to mess up the curl pattern that I already have going on from the wash and go that I just did, okay? And I just kind of let it do its thing. So what this is gonna do, when using the right product, it's going to give you some hydration, it's going to define your curls, it's gonna tame your frizz, it's really just gonna really help in kind of making your wash and go last just a little bit longer. This area is always prone to rubbing on my cotton shirts. I try to show some love like every 3 days, maybe sometimes every 2. Just depends on the preparation I've used. So preparation meaning what leave-in I've used, what style am I using, did I get conditioned that week. It makes a difference for me. For the other parts of my hair, again, shake, 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 shake. So I like big hair, full hair. But tell y'all that Aussie, this Aussie though, like it really came through. This is day 4 hair. I know, but like $3, almost $4 for this. I like to take a little bit of whatever choice of like curling custard or jelly. I like to go and get areas of my hair where I might have some frizz and simply run my fingers and smooth those areas. This works for me. I can't, you know, speak for y'all, but this is what works for me. We're not done, all right? Sometimes I don't want this to be like this. You feel me? Like this shape. I don't always want. So what I'll do sometimes when I'm doing my makeup, I will go ahead and flatten my hair down and I will just put it in a low ponytail. I do want to say that I did experience a little bit of flaking from the Aussie. Let's see, focus. You can see just a little bit of flaking right here. I think it's because, you know, I put a lot of products in this area. Everything else, I did not experience any type of flaking. So that Aussie, y'all, I'm sorry, this ain't about Aussie today, but it's what I use. And y'all know I'm Eco Styler WETLINE Extreme. WETLINE back here, got my back. My WETLINE Eco Styler Extreme Gel type of chick all the way. But Aussie has definitely come in to my heart. It's changed my life one curl at a time. We're gonna go ahead and get into my what? My what? I didn't hear you. My what? Baby hair, baby schmear, adolescent hair. And so what I use for that is my boo, WETLINE Extreme Gel, okay? It be coming through. Hey, bars. Oh! I just be, you know what? Let me stop. That ain't my calling. That ain't my gift.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. I like to take this. I got this from the beauty supply store. You can find them. They should be around. Then we're gonna go ahead and style my edges, my baby hair, my teenage almost out the house hair. I feel like styling baby hair is like doing your eyebrows. Like it really can shape your face, it can shape a style, it can really set off a style. You don't have to be team edges, okay? It's no problem if you're not team edges. Don't ever feel like you need to be team edges. However, as for me and my channel, all right, so now that we have the edges pretty much together, this can be your opportunity to use a scarf to lay them down. I really don't care. What I do that, you know, really seals the deal. And I do have a video dedicated solely to edges. It's older, so I don't really use a lot of products, but the technique still works, okay? So I will always use my Pump It Up spray, and what this does for me is it ensures, it ensures that my edges will not revert back in the mighty name, okay? I just spritz it on my finger and I just lay down my edges. I like to go ahead and take out my hair, and as you can see, it's not the same. It's there a little bit, but it's more of a flatter. I like that style on me. And this just helps because you don't have to use heat. I used to be that natural that always would break out my blow dryer in the mornings to, you know, either help some areas, get to what I want them to be, and all that good stuff. You don't have to do that. There's ways around it, y'all. I've worked with short hair. I couldn't pineapple my hair, where I did, you know, little mini pineapples. Banding is still my best friend. Last and final step is I would just mist my hair. Oh, and most of the time I like to use aloe vera juice to mist my hair, but I don't have that right now, so I'm just using the water. Misting and spritzing will just change your life. I'm trying to tell you, it will change your life. So that's it, y'all. I hope I was helpful. I will leave all the information down below. Thank you guys for voting on my Instagram stories for this particular video. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a like. Y'all know what to do. And if you have not subscribed, this is a problem, okay?
Okay.
I would love to have you part of the family. Yeah, so I thank you guys so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love y'all so very much. Bye.